welcome to this week's Monday Minutes. My name is Kelly.
And my name is Jessie, and here we are for part 2 with Lucas of labels. Hi.
Hi, everyone.
All right, so this week we are going to talk about the label plugin, and Lucas is going to share a screen and walk through some of the advantages that you have with the plugin versus what we showed you last week while you were just using the label creator in the cataloging module itself. Okay, Lucas.
Okay, from the Koha homepage, we'll want to go to administration. And down here on the bottom left to manage plugins, look for our label plugin. Go over to the right here and run the tool. And here's where we make our templates and our layouts. And something to note here is that the concepts of templates and layouts are opposite of what they are in the Koha tool. We have some demonstration templates and layouts already to go here. Here we go. So here's an example of something that you can't do with the Koha tool. If I inspect my element here, this is a single label, which is one spine and two pockets for the same item. Other things we can do here is we have more choices with fonts. You can see that this is sort of like a mono font. We can also edit these from here, something we can't do with the other tool. We can add stuff or take stuff away, maybe get rid of this, or add extra line breaks as we need, and print them like that.
Lucas, do you have to be inspecting the element to edit? Oh, no. Okay. So the edit.
No, you do not. I just, okay. I did that to show sort of how one label sits on the page.
Okay, cool.
The advantage of the plugin, it works similarly to when you went and pulled that batch. It's the batches that are living in the Koha tool. You're going to pick that template and layout, and that starting label. So that's exactly the same. You don't have to learn a new process. This is really helpful for libraries that use a sheet of labels that have various sizes of labels that they need either the same thing or different things on each of those labels.
Most commonly being the spine pocket combo, which those two different size labels is just something we can't do with the other tool. If we go back here and look at our templates, you can also see how we define what's in these labels. And here we have a whole lot more flexibility than we do in the Koha tool as well. You can see here we have item biblio title or item biblio subtitle. That's some pretty basic stuff, but you can also add almost any mark field here, as well as stuff from the item level, item call numbers and item numbers and anything that's in the items table in Koha.
You could probably do colors and color font as well, correct?
You could. So since this is the template where we define sort of what's in there, we also have the layout, which is basically just CSS. So anything you can do with CSS, you should be able to do with your labels. So if you wanted the title to be red or bold, that would be easy.
That's great.
For partners that are, going to install the plugin right after they watch this Monday Minutes, is there a default template or layout that comes with it, Lucas, so they can kind of start going?
There are two default templates and layouts with the plugin. If we go print our batch again, you can see that the first one is these Avery standard labels. It looks something like this and actually include the barcode. And the other one are these basics, which look like so, and have a little bit of coloring. Probably not something you want when you're actually printing labels, but shows you what you can do with the CSS.
And that would be like one spine label and two barcodes on a sheet of paper.
Correct.
Okay, perfect.
Okay, well, this is great. So now look at all these different opportunities that we've opened the door for in labels part 2.
We do have 2 Monday minutes on the label plugin. So if you do want to deep dive into that and start exploring it, feel free to do that. I love that there are default ones. And then also, if you've never used a plugin, we'll share a plugin resource on how to download a plugin for the first time. So lots of things you could do after watching this.
Okay, thanks, Lucas, for joining us again.
Thanks,
course.
Lucas. You're
Have a
the
great
Thank you.
best.